What kind of coffees do Tunisians like to drink? Assalamu marhaba, hello and welcome everyone to a new video. You probably have guessed the topic of this video. In this video we will learn about different types of coffee you can find anywhere in Tunisia. So wherever you go in Tunisia, like whatever coffee shop you go to, these are the different types of coffee and tea you can find there. The names of the coffees in Tunisia are different than the international ones, so this is the purpose of this video. Think of it as a guide to help you order your preferred coffee in Tunisia. Before we start, I would really appreciate it if you hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support and let's start. In Tunisia, you'll find mainly espresso-based kind of coffees. So, for example, here we have Express, Express allongé, Capucin, Direct. Our first coffee here is called Express, and it's basically one shot of espresso. So this one is called Express, Express, like that. And if you want a diluted type of Express, you can order this one, and it's called Allongé, Allongé, or Express allongé. Express allongé. Our next coffee is called Capucin, which consists of one shot of espresso, express, with a small amount of foamed milk. I would say that Capucin is a small version of espresso macchiato. And this one is called Direct, which is like cafe latte. So basically it's like Capucin, but with more milk. In Capucin, you'll taste more the flavor of the espresso. As for the Direct, you'll taste more the flavor of milk. These coffees are a little different. What I'm holding here is called filtre, and it's made with coffee filters. And it's different than the previous ones. Now, the previous ones are instantly prepared. As for this one, it takes time. That's why when you go to a cafe and you order filtre, you will find it actually ready to be served. They're not gonna prepare it for you at that moment. And this one is called café au lait here, and it's a French for coffee with milk. It's basically filtre with milk. In some cafes, they make filtre with barley. It's actually quite tasty. The reason why filtre is different is that the way they make it. Now, as I mentioned earlier, they need coffee filters and they put coffee and then they pour hot water. So that process takes time to make this kind of coffee. And the last drink I'm holding here is tea. And to be specific, green tea, or what we call thé akhdar. Thé akhdar. They usually serve it with mint and some slices of lemon, I'm not sure if you can see it here, but it has actually mint and some lemon inside. And the word for mint is na'na', na'na'. As for the word for lemon is qaras, qaras. When you order coffee, they usually serve 2 sugar. However, if you want to ask for a third one, you can say بربي زيدني واحد سكر or زيدني واحد سكر يعيشك. Now, let's say you want your capucin strong, and to ask for that you can say capucin قوية, capucin قوية. Or let's say, for example, you want your direct light, like not with a strong taste. You can ask for direct خفيفة, direct خفيفة. Or let's say you want your direct with extra milk. You can say direct بزايد حليب, direct بزايد حليب. So we have the word بزايد, that means extra. And if you want your coffee to go, you can ask for gobelet, gobelet, which means paper cup. And you can say, for example, أعطيني capucin في gobelet يعيشك, or أعطيني direct في gobelet يعيشك. And if you want your coffee without foam, you can ask for one sans mousse, sans mousse, which is French for without foam. So for example, capucin sans mousse or direct sans mousse. As for the prices, they range between 1 dinar, for example, for the filtre, for café au lait and tea, and 1 dinar 600 for the direct. So 1 dinar is equals like 30 cents, and 1 dinar 600 around 35 cents. And if you want your coffee to go, you need to pay extra 100 milli, which is 3 cents. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot about coffees in Tunisia. Also, if you have any questions regarding this topic, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bislema!